did you say goodnight?
Yeah, he did. Hey, Mom. Boots. You're on the camera. Well, I brought it all the way down here. I got to film something. Oh, well, William.
Life couldn't be better than it is at this moment. We've had a wonderful meal.
There's a good-looking pool.
Yes. Facility.
It's an invisible dog.
The invisible dog?
Look.
There it is, the invisible dog. We're following with. Will you lead? You lead.
We're following.
Let's take a little tour.
I'll walk the perimeter.
Come on, William. Let's walk the perimeter. Let's get.
Record. Chocolate on the pillow.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, family. You remember? William, you told me you couldn't have any chocolate. You told me you couldn't have any chocolate.
Here's Action Jackson. He's kind of tired now. He's sleeping here in the presidential suite.
He took my chocolate. He took my chocolate.
Oops.
William, you're taking my chocolate. You're taking my chocolate.
Hello, hello. And do what, huh?
Go down to the concierge level and have
Listen,
chocolates and... I remember.
Do you remember?
I remember.
You know what I'm thinking about, don't
Yes.
What?
So what you're not allowed to have.
And what was your name?
Okay,
William, you have yellow hair. Did you put butter in your hair? Did you put mustard? Did you put sauerkraut? What did you put in your hair? Nothing. So you have no hair. My goodness, how silly. Oh, very good, sir. Very good. Make sure this one doesn't eat too much grass.
I keep an eye on it.
All right, we'll both keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on this one too.
Oh, yeah.
All right, very good. See ya later.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hiya, Jack. Here we go on another one of our many great adventures.
Okay, we can't have
And for you, this is about your 10th adventure of the day.
we can't have a big long talk because we only
Why
have a
not?
certain amount of battery.
How
on
can
it.
I share knowledge if I don't give word?
Well, it's all right.
Give me time.
A little bit later. A little bit later.
And I'll talk the world to death.
At one point in time, we were...
The boat. It's nice. Say hello to Mimi. Hey, Mimi.
Are you filming me, Jack?
Yes.
Don't do that. That's not fair. That's not fair.
Hello.
You want another sandwich?
Uncle Brian.
In February before the
You didn't have one?
Uncle Brian.
Would you like to have one?
No.
Okay, if you do, will you tell me?
Hello.
Mimi, what are we gonna do later?
Oh, Jack, get out of here. Get out. Get out.
Oh, this is
Bridget.
If it had been a warm, muggy day, it would be yours, my friend.
No, he went down there to check
Hi,
things
Grandpa.
out.
Excuse me.
Look at that. Look at that.
I'm getting in the seat here.
Buddhist Lodge, do the trees. Hello, Keegan.
It's big and it's pink all over.
Who does it have on it?
It didn't have anybody on it. I don't know if it was Roxy or not, but it was.
Hello.
Hi.
It looked a lot like your
Wave the
mom's,
camera.
but only it was like plasticky.
Yeah.
It was so cool.
Where'd you see
Very
that
cool.
at?
At this store.
Did you?
Howdy.
There's I know. There he is. Motown.
There's the contemporary. I like the contemporary. There's Keegan again. Hello.
That was a quality restaurant.
That sure was.
Very well done.
California Grill.
That's a quality restaurant. Great service. Great people.
Watch the.
Fireworks?
No, the launch.
Oh, the shuttle launch.
And that is in
Matt Balmer was here.
time. Here's Bootsy. Bootsy's gonna brave the elements.
I'm not gonna be out here.
Reg, I hate to get
This is the most rested Bootsy's been in a long
You wanna
time.
be out here for the fireworks.
Yeah. Especially then. But even before.
No, I don't know how to do it. Like this?
Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Dad. I just got Dad.
I need a break.
Dad.
I need a break. I need a break.
Dad.
I'm exhausted.
I just got that on film.
You got me dancing on film?
Yeah.
Get Grandma and Grandpa on film.
Let me pull my tummy in. Shall I speak now, Jack? I want to share my joy and happiness with all of you forever. This is posterity that I'm addressing as I look into this plastic eye and tell you what a wonderful time we're having here tonight in this wonderful gathering. I'm using the word wonderful too often. Never use the same verb more than once, especially in the same sandwich, same sentence that is. We're having a lot of fun. We're drinking a fine wine. We met this national sales manager of this wine last evening. His name was Sullivan. Was it Sullivan? Was it Sullivan?
Yeah, come on.
Anyway, he came to our table at the restaurant. And in fact, he sent a bottle of his wine over. And we found out he was Sweeney. That was his name.
Grandpa, you watching yourself?
James Sweeney.
You watching
You know what,
yourself?
Karate? You do an awful lot of talking.
Are you watching?
I am watching it. I am Jack. I'm watching it. And I'm looking at it, and my eyes are so tightly closed now after I don't know how many glasses that, oh yeah, now I can see my eyes. They are there.
What's this one?
I was wondering if there are any eyes remaining.
What number is it?
You can see yourself.
Jack, get out of here.
No.
Get out of here.
No.
Go.
No.
Go.
No.
Go.
No.
Go.
No.
Born on the mountaintop of Tennessee. Free. One soul he knew where he lived in my car when he was only free.
Look at me.
Davy, living on the wild frontier. And the risky chore made himself a legend forevermore.
Davy Crockett.
The man who don't know fear.
No fear.
Grandpa's gonna freak out.
None at all.
I don't want him to break
He
that.
went and bought the Congress and served the spell. They government laws as well.
He'll get a buzz.
Washington, so I heard tell. They passed up the crack in the Liberty Bell.
Davy Crockett, king of the world.
I lost some back here.
When he come home, his politicking was done. Why the Western March had just begun.
Oh yeah.
His gear and his trusty gun.
Are you ready?
Lit out the grin to follow the sun.
Turn it up.
Davy Crockett,
Leading on the wild.
Jack, are you coming back for a bit more profundity?
No, I just came to see your wonderful face.
Wait, go back to 12. Pop over. Put it on 12.
All the ants were planted in the them up.
Mom, you on the 10. On the
Sideways.
Are you running now so I can see him?
He's recording now.
Are you?
Here we go.
Jack, you are so tired.
But it's not.
Alright folks, it's our last night at Disney World here in January 2000.
Say something fitting, Jack.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Hard to believe the trip is coming to an end almost. And I only have 3 minutes of tape left.
Yep.
So make it snappy.
Say happy birthday.
Everything really right now. Celebrate the birthday.
Save it for tomorrow and you're all waving goodbye.
Whoa, it's you dog. Jack,
What?
watch. Jack watches. Jack watches. Jack.
Hello, Mama. Hello.
How much macaroni did you make, Mr. Williams?
Oh, whoa.